Hello, today we will guide you through how to move conversations in Slack Workspace. A tidy sidebar makes it faster to find the channels and threads you use most. In Slack, you can group conversations into sections that match how you work. In this walkthrough, we'll move a channel to one of your sections using the channel menu. Start by opening Slack in your browser or desktop app and make sure you're in your Workspace's home view, where your sidebar and channels are visible. If you're in another tab like DMs or Activity, click Home to return to the main view. Next, select the conversation you want to organize. Click the channel in your sidebar to open it. You'll see the channel header at the top. Look to the top right of this header for the 3-dot More Actions button. Click it to open the menu. If your window is narrow and you don't see the 3 dots, enlarge the window or hover near the header to reveal the controls. In the menu, move your mouse over Move Channel. This highlights the options tied to your sidebar sections. You'll see the sections that already exist. From that list, click the destination section you want. Here, we'll choose the section labeled A as an example. The channel instantly shifts under that section in your sidebar right away. There's no reload needed. A few quick notes. Moving a channel to a section only changes how it appears for you. It doesn't move messages or change what teammates see. If you don't see the section you want, you can adjust your sidebar sections later in Slack preferences. Also, if notifications matter for that channel, make sure the section isn't collapsed. To confirm the move, glance at your sidebar and expand the destination section if it's collapsed. You should now find the channel neatly grouped where you placed it, ready for quick access next time you need it. And that's it. You've organized your Slack conversation by moving it into the right section. Repeat these steps for other channels to keep your workspace focused and efficient. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.